how to track button in GA4, and I'm gonna do it with Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to create your Google Tag Manager account, and then you have to, just forget about this. You have to preview your site. Okay, sorry. You have to, since it is button and a developer gives a button either an ID or class, or button has its text. So Google Tag Manager has its own variables. So first of all, we have to go over here, and you can find it in the built-in variable section. So configure it and go down a bit, and you'll find the clicks related all the thing, right? All the variables. So just tick them up and go to trigger, and then click new, and then uh, you can enable all of them. Like okay, it will be automatically uh, taken. And again, I'm gonna do something like just link. This one is for link clicks. So uh, just for the sake of making the tutorial, I'm just doing it. So now we have to preview and keep the debug section of your website open. So whenever the data will pass, you will see it. Sorry, this is something every now and then happen. I don't know why Pantheon.io gives a free website, but it is happening every now and then. So here, how you can go to your Google Tag Manager account. First of all, you'll go to the home page, and then you have to click over here like admin, and then go to the data display, and you'll see the debug view. So this is how you can see whether the data is passing or not. So we are on our website, and as you can see that our website, Google Tag Manager is found in our website. So now it's time to set up the tracking of button click. So I click on the button, and here, as you can see, that the click event has come to the debug section of my website, in my Google Tag Manager, right? So what I have to do, click over here and click on variables. You can see the click classes Elementor button text. Let's see something that is very useful. So like this click text. So the click text is shop now, right? And over here the same thing goes for this one. So now it's time to specify that when the click text is button shop now, you have to fire, or you have to send the data to Google Tag Manager, right? So let's say it is number 9. I click over here, right? And it is 10 and 11. So again, in the 10 we see that on 10 we see that the click text is shop now. So we can make it a universal universal trigger. So whenever someone clicks on any clicks on something that is called shop now, it will send the data to GA4. So now let's begin our setup. So first of all, you have to go over here and then specify it, some clicks, not all clicks, some clicks. When the click text equals shop now, I want to track it, right? So shop now. Okay, this is our trigger has been done. Now we have to go to the tags and click over here, go to the text. Since we are sending the data to GA4, so we have to select the GA4, and we have to give our measurement ID. How to get the measurement ID, how to create Google Tag Manager account. I have made separate videos on that, so you can check this out. And now, what is the event name that you want to send? It's all on your wish. So I'm gonna send the event name like button click. Let's say shop now, right? So I'm gonna write it button click GA4 button click. All right. And then we have to trigger when we want to send the data to the GA4. When someone clicks on shop now containing click, that time we want to send the data to GA4. So now save it. Yes. And then now again preview it and you will see the magic over here. Okay, it is taking a bit of time. Whenever it is done, it will automatically found. I have made a separate video on that why Google Tag Manager is not found in your website, so how to fix this status. So click over here. As you can see, the GA4 button click has been fired, and we will also see that our event is fired. Page view. Okay, let's come in shop now, right? So let me just click on this, and we again see that it fired two times, right? It fired two times. Okay, so now we have to see again the shop now button click has been fired. Boom. So uh, this is how we can set up Google Tag Manager account, and we can set up custom events in our Google Tag Manager account. And I in the previous video I have shown you how to send the custom definition, how to set up the custom definitions when you are having a custom event, when you are creating a custom event in GA4. So how to create the custom definitions in your GA4, and how to get the data in GA4 whenever you are going for seeing the result for analysis. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this video is helpful, and like and share with your friends who is struggling with tracking and everything. And if you need my service, then um, you can shoot a message through email or WhatsApp. I am always available, or you can contact me through LinkedIn. Okay,